stay with me for a second. Literally, just 1 second. Here's what happened in that second. 4 people were born and 2 passed away. Elon Musk made $700. Over 16 million liters of water evaporated from Earth. The sun produced more energy than the Earth's annual consumption. Earth traveled over 30 kilometers in space. 30 stars exploded into a supernova as they reached the end of their billions of years of existence. And sometimes you use way more than that 1 second worrying about what others think of you. Kind of irrelevant, isn't it?